Welcome to the Polished Phoenix, the home of nail art, product reviews, tips and tricks and more.
Hi, welcome or welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I am going to be doing a set of press-ons to go into my Vettsy store. These are short coffin and I'm doing them in the preset size of large. So they start from 17mm, 13, 14, 13, 11. So what would that be? So it's 1, 5, 4, 5, and 7, if you go by the numbers. So I've had to dig through on my stamping plates. I haven't done stamping for ages and I just felt like it because I'm a sweaty hormonal mess today, and whatever videos I previously had recorded, my phone decided to get rid of them. Yay for me. So I've lost what I was going to say, but this is what I've come up with, something along those lines. I was just having a play, and so the stamping, I've got the silicone molds out. There's a cat eye in there, so I'm going to do something along those lines. I'm going to switch a few things up and add a few more things. So probably for the process I will speed it up and put some music on, purely because I'm doing a full set of 10 nails and it will just take forever, and then you just know that I'm gonna add something to it. But for stamping I'm using the Born Pretty stamping polish white, and start again. Born Pretty stamping polish in white. I've got a couple of these Shea J. This one came in a set of 6 and this is what I'm using for the sand. Isn't it perfect? And it just says number 1 on it. So I don't think you can get them individually. This again was another set. There was possibly 12 and they were all jelly colours. So a light jelly blue and also a darker jelly blue. The cat eye I'm using is the Colour Light Cat Gel Light Flow MY10 from Born Pretty, and it is bloody stunning. And I've got this new magnet I've been playing with and it's really good. I got it from Shein. You would have seen the haul if my phone had kept the bloody video, but as you do. And then the stamping plate, well there's 2. This is from the Sailor collection. Sorry about the smears on it, that's disgusting now, isn't it? Let me wipe that. Number 8. And I've had this is from Merry London. I got a haul months and months ago. And I've only today took off the blue thingy. So I'm going to be using that. And this is one that I got from Amazon a while ago as well. Le Beauty 028. And we're using this as well just for the bubbles. And then some pearls and caviar beads. And these are the silicone molds. I think I got this one from Temu recently. Yeah, it was. So yeah, that's not going to be seen. So yeah, this is from Temu. It's one of the shallow ones. And then this one's a little bit deeper to make some more 3D. 3D bigger, like charms rather than decals. So I'm going to get started. I have used the Nail Couture primer. I found this really good. It gives a really good sticky layer. And I have also base coated with my new gem find. These came as a set, top coat and base coat. It's a super top coat. I literally got these for playing around. Base coat is really good for, you know, if you're doing in between things because it's really thin. So if you put your stickers on and you need to go over just to seal them in, it's really thin for that, so you're not building up loads of bulk on the nail. But as the top coat, I always use the Varnail glass top coat on my press-ons because it is just super shiny. And yeah, so I've done the Lara base coat, which is only a thin layer, again because just to give that extra little bit of strength, and I'll pop in if I've forgotten something. So here we go. Right, I will, yeah, no, I'll waffle at the end. Right, let's get started.